Welcome to Banani's garden. In this video, we are going to show how to grow petunia from seeds. Petunia is beautiful and colorful flowering plant that is grown in winter season in India. This is a complete video. From sowing the seeds till the full blooming and taking care of the flower, everything will be shown. So request you to watch till the end.
It's the month of October and we are going to sow the seeds. We will prepare the soil mixture for the seedbed. It contains same amount of garden soil, coco peat and vermicompost. The most important thing for growing of petunia is that do not ever compromise with the quality of the seeds. Otherwise, the flower will not be colorful and large. You may also get less number of flowers. It will be better if you use imported seeds. Press the soil of the seedbed gently. Wet the seedbed with water. Make sure the seeds are evenly distributed. Cover the seeds with the same soil mixture. Water them gently. Cover the seedbed with newspaper and keep in the shadow. The covering will hold the necessary moisture inside the seedbed. After 4 days, the seeds will start germinating. No need to add extra water in these 4 days. This is 10 days after the germination. This is after 17 days. The seedlings are now about 1 inch tall. It is the time to shift them to the first pot. Soil mixture for first potting contains same amount of garden soil, sand and vermicompost. You can take the seedling out of the bed by the help of a stick like this. These are 1 inch pots. First, put some soil in the pot. Put the seedling at the center and fill the pot with soil mixture. Press the soil with soft hand. Put the pots on some sand. Do not water them directly. Keep the sand moist. This will supply required water to the seedlings. This is after 32 days of germination. The seedlings are almost 2 inches long. You can see the bunch of roots under the pots. Now we will show how to shift them to the second pots. We have chosen 2.5 inches cups made of paper. Choose the healthy plants only. Make a hole at the bottom of each cup. Cover the holes with small gravels. To take the seedlings out, hit the pot very gently. This should release the plant. Now, pull it out slowly. First, put some soil in the cup. Plant the seedlings into the pot and add more soil on it. Water them. Keep the pots in the partial shade. Water them regularly. Don't let the soil completely dry. This is after 42 days. Now it's the time for final potting. We will use this cheap plastic pot. First, we will make more holes at the bottom. The net will keep the soil intact while watering. Now we will prepare the soil mixture for final potting. The soil for petunia should be very light and well drained. The mixture we are creating contains 30% vermicompost, 30% cocopeat, 10% garden soil and 30% cow dung compost. Mix well. Now put some mixture in the pot. To take the plant out of the pot, just cut the paper and tear the cup like this. Lose some soil and tease out the roots at the edge. This will help the roots to grow faster in the new soil. Put the plant in the center. Add more soil. Press the soil beside the plant very gently. Water fully. By maintaining the same procedure, we have planted more plants in these pots. This is 47th day. Plants are now adapted to the new soil and started growing. This is 60th day. 2 months are passed and we got the first bloom. As you have noticed, the plants are grown very fast after the final potting. It's 78th day. We got more bloomings. This is a rotten master cake solution. It's a perfect organic fertilizer for petunia. We have been using this fertilizer in every 10 days. This is day 82. All the plants are grown healthy. Some have already bloomed and some are ready for blooming. This is day 90. Most of the pots got bloomings. While watering petunia plants, make sure the leaves do not become wet. Lift the plant like this and then give water. Remember that the soil mixture is very well drained. Thus, you have to apply water every day before the soil becomes completely dry. Petunia plants need 5 to 6 hours direct sunlight. Do not keep them under shade, otherwise the growth of the plant will be hampered. Another thing is the pinching of old flowers. This will help the plant to bloom more flowers for a longer time. This is day 105. Most of the plants are in full bloom. Others have many buds on them. They will bloom very soon. We have sowed the seeds 105 days back in the month of October. So as you can see, it will take almost 3.5 months to get full bloom from petunia plants.
Thanks for being with us till the end.